Hey folks, it's James from onCourse Support here. So if you have lots of corporate customers, say a one who is going to be getting a number of employees enrolling to do some particular training or anything along those lines, then one of the things that onCourse can do that would make both yours and your customers' life easier is a corporate pass. And what the corporate pass can do is it's basically just a code that the employer can give to their employees that employees can then enter into the checkout when they are enrolling into a class. And what that means is that instead of making them pay for it, the invoice for the enrollment gets sent to the company contact instead, for them to pay down the line. And so the way that you go about setting this up is from the dashboard. You just search for corporate pass, and we'll click this, and we'll come into the corporate pass window, and we'll come down here and we'll click the plus button to add a new record. Now up the top here, you add the name of the company or the person. It doesn't have to be a company record that you add. In most cases, I think it will be though. So we have like an Acme Corp in here. And password is the actual code that you're going to give them. So it can be kind of whatever you want to make it. And you can see here, this has populated automatically with the email address tied to this contact. I can change this if I want to, if there's like a finances, or an accounts email, perhaps might be more appropriate rather than say a direct contact email. So we might pop this in here instead. And then we can also set an expiry value too. So if you know that these people are only going to be planning on training with you within the next couple of weeks or within the next month or so, and you only want to limit the use on this for a certain period of time, then you'd enter the value in the expiry on date field here. You can also limit the use to purchasing certain products or certain enrollments into certain classes, and you can do that here by setting either the class or the product itself, and you just do a search for the product name. And you can also auto apply discounts. So if you want to auto apply like a 5% discount or something to each enrollment that is, or each purchase that is made using this corporate pass, you can set that here by just clicking this plus button, and then you type in the name of the discount, or you can run a search query either way. And then when it comes to time to enroll, the user or the employee can go to your website and find the course or find the class that they want to enroll in, be given this password to enter into the checkout. So there's a special corporate pass section in the payments window in the checkout on the website. They just need to click that and then enter the password into there, and then everything just happens. The invoice will be sent off to this email address. The person will be enrolled and they don't need to worry about paying for it. The company contact will have that to worry about. And that's how you go about setting up corporate passes in onCourse.